Okay guys, hi guys, welcome to another video, and it's a thunderstorm out there. It's a thunderstorm out there. It is. Trying not to get my hand in the camera. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but weather is completely gone bonkers. The weather's going completely chaotic. Well, the weather's not doing anything now, but just a few moments ago I heard loud thunder. And it is not good. So stay safe out there. If you get at this video while the storm is still happening, yeah, like I said, stay safe and maybe get inside. Because where there's thunder, you know what comes next, and it starts with an L. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Oh, and write down in the comments what I meant by what. Oh, and here's a question for you guys to write down the answer in the comment section. What begins with the letter L and comes after thunder? Okay, guys? What starts with an L, so this letter, and comes after thunder? Huh? Those are your only two clues. What begins with L and comes after thunder? So, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe out there, and maybe go inside.